Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to part 3. If you haven't seen the other 2 parts, go and watch. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put on fake lashes and a couple little tricks to make it just a tad bit easier for you. So I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes, and all you're going to need are a pair of lashes, a pair of tweezers, and some lash glue. And here's a little trick. If you have a bottle of hair glue, go and grab that too. I'm just going to start by opening up the box and taking the lashes out. With dual lash glue, you do need a little bit of time for it to dry, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and put some glue on the lashes now. Try and go with a really light hand because a lot comes out and you don't want it to be too filled with glue. So hopefully you can see how much I'm putting. Make sure you get it on the corners because you don't want the corners of your lashes to begin to lift. Just give it a little blow and then you can leave it to dry. For my second lash, I'm actually going to be showing you how to put them on using hair glue. So I've used this for years and it's never affected me negatively, and I know a lot of people who do the same trick if you ever run out of lash glue or for whatever reason you don't have lash glue. So you just put it onto the lash. It is a black glue. Just blow it. It does dry a bit faster than lash glue would, but I'm just going to show you a little trick if you're using this. When you're putting these on with the black glue, it may get on your eyelid at some point, but the good thing is it's almost like plastic. You can just rub it off and it will just come right off. What I like to do is hold the lash a little bit closer to the end, but still in the center, so just about here. So I like to put it about 3/4 way from the corner of my eyes, and also holding it 3/4 way on the lash. You're just gonna pull your face back and you just press it down and it will dry in that one spot, and then I like to hold the end of the lash and stick down the end, and then while the front is still sticking up, you just carefully try and grab it with your tweezers and then you just press it down. You'll want to keep your lashes closed for You'll want to keep your eye closed for a bit just so that the lash doesn't lift or shift. It can dry properly on your eye. And then I use my fingers to just press it down a bit very gently so I don't shift it or accidentally lift it up. And there we go, one lash on. So an important step to get your lash actually right down to your real lash and not sticking up or anything is to just hold it 3/4 way, keep it down for a bit until it dries, and then stick the end part and then stick the corner and then push everything down. So you have to kind of do it in stages. If you just try to put it on at one time, you might have some pieces all over the place. So now our next lash is probably dry. The good thing with dual lash glue is even if it isn't completely dry and you get some of the glue elsewhere on your eyelid, it'll dry clear. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna pull our face back, hold it 3/4 way, stick it down first, and I'm going to let go and stick the end. And now you can see that this is still hanging off. I'm going to grab the front carefully, lift it above my lashes so I don't get any glue sticking to my real lash, and then stick it down. Ooh, it definitely wasn't dry, so I'm just going to push it down. So right now it looks like there's a lot of glue, because there is, but don't worry, it will dry clear. So just give it about 10 minutes or so and eventually it will dry clear. And if for whatever reason there's way too much and it doesn't dry, don't rip it off because you don't want to rip your lashes off. You can use a little bit of mascara and brush it up. You can use your eyeliner to kind of draw over the glue. Don't worry, you're not trapped, you're not stuck, and if you really hate it and there's no fixing it, you can just carefully take your lash off and start again. And this is what they look like, the black glue and the white glue. And that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial was really helpful, and as long as you follow the steps and remember the techniques, you'll do great. If you like this video and want to see more, like, comment, and subscribe.